Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my YouTube channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand this thoroughly to take your decision. Your one like will motivate me to be regular in working more hard for you. Before analyzing the movements of gold futures in different time frames, I would like to analyze some latest developments since few trading sessions at the international level. Wall Street ended higher on Friday amid growing optimism on upcoming trade talks between Washington and Beijing on June 28-29. Gold futures started to feel some exhaustion till the weekly closing, as here you can see that the gold futures feeling some exhaustion amid growing optimism over the outcome from the expected talk between the US President Mr. Donald Trump and the Chinese President. Here you can see that till the weekly closing, gold futures ended here at the level of $1412. No doubt that till weekly closing before the final outcome of discussion between the US and China for ending tariff trade war, and finally the US and China announced a final decision on Saturday, which still looks to be a partial deal because most of the major issues were left without any clarification, which are likely to generate indecisiveness even more than ever before. Yes, no doubt that both the presidents have opened doors for more discussions on tariff trade war front, but still I find that currently they are not able to reach any decisive move. Therefore, I find that this current arrangements on the tariff trade war front will create more bearishness in global equity markets during the upcoming weeks. Therefore, I find that if the gold futures make a downward move, no doubt that the gold futures will find an immediate support at the level of $1393, where I find that a thick presence of gold bulls will result in a sharp bounce back if we find gold futures to make a downward move. But I find that the gold futures still have enough strength to move more upward due to growing fear of economic slowdown, as most of the economies were looking too eagerly on the talks between the US President and the Chinese President. But I find that these talks were only a futile attempt to resolve tariff trade war. Therefore, I find that on July 1st, 2019, I find a strong sell-off in global equity markets, which will keep the uptrend of gold futures intact. Therefore, I find that the gold futures will find their first immediate support at the level of $1396. If we find some more developments on tariff trade war front, I find that the gold futures will find a strong support at the level of $1376, where this upper end of this breakout zone will provide a good opportunity for gold bulls to go long for an immediate target up to the level of $1449, what they will try to achieve during the upcoming month. So friends, this is my expected trading zone for the gold futures for the month of July 2019, where my stop loss levels will be at the level of $1345 and on every downward move up to the level of $1363. I would prefer to have a long position in gold futures, where a consolidation at these levels at the level of $1379 will result in sharp upward moves. No doubt that the gold futures will move ahead amid growing volatility. Therefore, I find that the gold futures will remain amid this uptrend zone between this line and this line on the lower side, where the gold futures may remain in volatile moves, where I find that a breakout above the level of $1450 during the month of July will result in sharp upward moves in gold futures, where the gold futures will try to achieve the levels of $1470 during the month of July. Therefore, I find that every downward move in gold futures will provide a good opportunity to go long because I find that the gold futures will find a good support at the level of $1361, where I find that the gold futures will take a technical bounce from these levels back up to the levels of $1436, and here I find that a sustainable move above the level of $1436 will result in a sharp upward move up to the level of $1455 during the upcoming weeks. So friends, let us see this move in an hourly time frame. So here in an hourly time frame, here you can see that still the gold futures have been consolidating at the level of $1413, where a sustainable move will result in a sharp upward move on July 1st, 2019. On the lower side, I find in an hourly chart that the gold futures will find good support at the level of $1399, where the 200 days moving average will provide strong support to gold futures, and I find that a sharp downward in gold futures up to the level of $1376 will provide good opportunity to go long, because from these levels the futures will take a sharp upward move back up to the level of $1444 before moving upward. As I mentioned in my previous analysis, that this is my bullish consolidation zone, where the gold futures found consolidation before moving upward. Here you can see since June 13, 2019 up to June 20th, 2019, gold futures consolidated amid this bullish trading zone before moving more upward. So here you can see that when the gold futures entered amid this breakout zone on June 19, from where the gold futures witnessed a breakout up to the levels of $141 on June 24, 2019. So friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.